Okay guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out your audio track with background music on your video clip in iMovie video editor. First, go ahead and find your MP3 file and drag it out onto the timeline, or even better, into the project itself so you can reuse it later. Now, I'm going to drag out my video clip onto the timeline. And I'm going to take this MP3 soundtrack and drag it right underneath the video. Now, as you can see, we have a video clip with a music track now. And to create a fade-in audio effect, go ahead and drag this slider over here to create a gradual fade-in curve. Now, here also, if you want to adjust volume, you can do that by dragging this horizontal bar either up or down. That's pretty much it for the fade-in effect. So I'm going to play my video and you will see that the music gradually fades into the video clip. Now to fade out the background music, I'm going to Control B at the end of the video clip to cut my audio track and delete the rest of it. Now here, in the same way, I'm going to drag this fade out controller to create a slow fade out effect. So now I'm going to play my video, and as you can see, the music gradually fades out toward the end of the video clip.